These are the 3 friends that you need over the course of your lifetime. And you can start right now. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and I want to dive in with some learning that I've been doing recently. And I want to share here with you, especially if you're on your spiritual journey, you've taken a serious approach to your healing, you know that there's a part of you that needs to be embodied now. And so here are the 3 friends you need. The first one is to make friends with the person you used to be, your younger self, the self that made all kinds of decisions about life partners, about careers, about school, about parenting, about all that stuff, the person you were back then. And the reason you need to make peace with her is because if she is, or they are, or he is still the product of your attention here, then we bring that resentment into our current moment. We bring that into our current relationships and into our present moment. And we also sabotage our present moment. And so, as best you can, with all the tools here that are on this channel, start to befriend her, him, they. Go back and forgive. Understand that all the things that they did to all the decisions that they made to bring you here now brought you here now into this awareness, into this life circumstance. And the sooner you can forgive her and accept that she made mistakes or that she did the best she could with what she knew, the easier your present moment is. And that brings me to the second one. The person now that you have to befriend is who you are in this very moment. Radical acceptance. My parents, in their infinite wisdom, named me Salimah. And in Arabic, that means peace through acceptance. My God, what a lesson, what a life journey, what a noble intention. And that's probably been the hardest part about life to date, accepting what is, accepting how I look, what my body is up to as it gets older, accepting the decisions I made about the here and the now, the conversations that I have, the decisions I make on this platform and all the others. This is the person who is with me right now. And she can either talk me down or she can talk me up. And so I very clearly decided that the conversation that's going to happen in my head, and I invite you to do the same, is going to be one of a loving, nurturing person. Everything that I would want to say to my child, I would say to myself in this moment, to this grown-ass adult. Because those words that we speak to ourselves have power. Your words are your wand. Make friends with who you are right now. And then the third person you need to make friends with is your future self. The person that you will be a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. What is she thinking about this? He, they, what are they thinking about all of this? And what would they encourage you to do? And so oftentimes in this last few weeks and months, I've paused and said, what would my future self think of this? What would my future self want for me in this moment? Knowing where the trajectory is going, knowing what the outcome of this might be, what advice does she have to offer? And it's been really powerful to consult with my future self who already knows what I've done, how I've done it, and can offer some guidance. And in that case, I make different kinds of decisions. I sleep a little earlier. I go for more walks. I get outside a little bit more. When something's bothering me, I write it out. When something is going great, I celebrate. And my future self really loves that because life is, in some ways, life is eternal, but also life is finite. And there's not enough time ahead to be mean or stingy or hard on myself. There is this time, There was that time, and there is what will be. And so I encourage you in this time and space that you come across this video, which is perfect timing for you, that you consider befriending all of these people, because they got you. They got you here, and they're going to get you over there. Enjoy them. Enjoy your friendship. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and thank you for being here on this channel. If this was helpful for you, like and share and send it to a friend, and let's spread the love. Bye for now.